In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install apps on your Samsung TV. It's the best method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now let's say you just got your TV and you maybe want to download some applications. It's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. So once you're on your For You page, what you want to do is go over to apps. Go ahead and scroll down. You're going to see your downloaded apps right here. But if you keep scrolling, you're going to see so many different applications with different genres that are also going to be completely free to go ahead and download. So you're going to see popular this week, what's new, and you can even filter by genre as well. So let's say I wanted to get something that was popular this week, like let's say I wanted to go ahead and get Apple Music. All you got to do is go ahead and click on the application that you want to download and then just wait for it to load up. Once it's loaded, it's going to look something like this, and all you're going to have to do is just press the install button right there, and then it's going to be installing. It's also going to show the rating and how much space it's going to take up. Now, once you're done with that, you can even scroll down, and this is what I prefer doing, is going over to genre, and you can look for different things. For example, if I wanted to go ahead and get like a game or something, I could just go ahead and click on the game genre right there, and then all I want to go ahead and do is let it go onto it. It just cancelled out because of the Apple Music download. But once I'm on it, I'm going to see all these different games that are available for me to just go ahead and download really simply. So let's say I want to get Need for Speed, or Need More Speed, I guess. All I got to do is press install right there, and that's it. It's going to be installing to the TV. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.